Guys, today we are gonna play Subway Surfers.
Hey, this so almost is.
No, that's not guy. Oh, we just did that, guys.
Comment ça fait TikTok? Hey, how are you?
Oh yeah, today we are gonna play Subway Surfers. Yeah, we know. See, just be quiet. Mama. Roblox?
You mean a lot of potatoes? Robux? Fortnite. I'm just kidding, no.
Bro!
Whoa.
Haha, remember. Glory. Halan. Rani. If the girl's gravity, choose gravity, eat the didn't matter. Rani.
Huh?
Where's him my friend?
What do you mean?
He said, what game are you playing?
Yeah,
Yeah.
What do you say?
What game is he playing?
And I'm playing Roblox. Yeah, Maki?
Duh. Tarangoli. You guys tricked me.
You okay?
And Lucky's stomach just right here. Look, Shaido, I'm playing Roblox. Oh no, I did it. Pretty, what you said? Pretty, what you said? Pretty, what you said? Oh, you too. Let's get back. Go. Boom. Boom.
Then I'm going home, okay?
Okay.
Queenie, she wants to go to your house too.
No.
No, not coming.
No.
Queenie, no. Queenie, no.
My house is better than your house.
Huh?
My house is better than your house.
Huh?
He said that his house is better than our house.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Why?
Yes,
Wait, is it just because it has a park? That's why? Is it because it has a park where you can play soccer?
Everything.
But I do.
It also has a pool.
I do.
And I remember that I went in that pool.
But I do. I do. Do you know you don't have a playground?
Yes, I do have
Wait, so I don't remember you
have a park.
so I don't remember that you took me to the pool in your house.
He said He said no.
Right, I have a park.
I did.
This
He
one-
did take us, but you weren't born yet.
Yeah,
Okay, Mom
not
cooking.
one day.
You go for cycle?
Yeah, I want to come.
Yeah, me
I want to come.
Yeah, me too.
That has a car.
Oh, my feet are sweaty.
Wait.
3, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. I don't want nothing. I don't want nothing. I don't want nothing. Damn.
Queenie. Queenie. You like the shoes?
That was my wrist score. It was my wrist, baby. Here you go. Here you go.
3 points.
You like the shoes? Okay. Okay.
But look this up. Yeah.
Wait.
You like the shoes? Hey, Green, come here. Hey. Wait.
Bro, just like
No, no.
it.
Let me see. Wait, did I get it?
And side door, wait. Side door,
Stand up.
sit.
Let me take a picture of your shoes. Come.
See you guys at the end.